Alright, in this video I'm going to be changing some head gaskets on a, this is a hybrid engine. This is a phase 2, 2.2, and then I have 25D, I think, yeah, phase 1 heads, and they're going into a 1996 coupe Impreza. The old gaskets that were on it, I guess the guy did a turbo build and like ran way too much boost, and it blew the ring right open into the coolant port, and it was blowing lots of white smoke. But yeah, I've already cleaned up the heads on the edges and everything, so just ready to slap on the gaskets. I'll probably have some time lapses, and this is the start of, you know, wide body GC build. This motor I'm just building as like, I don't know, just a little daily motor to kind of get it moving around and everything. I might throw the turbo setup back on it, but we'll see. Mostly I want to WRX swap it. But let's get to the time lapses. Alright, I'm just gonna wipe down each surface again, make sure they're clean. Gonna do the left side of the motor first. Let's get one of these open. That's probably the only thing I didn't bring out here is a knife. Alright, here we go. And these are definitely a different type of gasket than this. This, I guess, is just not multi-layer steel. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like some sort of like composite, some type. These ones are multi-layer steel. Which way? Just like that. Gotta get the valve cover off of this head still. I'll come back after I get that off. Before I set the head on there, I'm going to put a little bit of rebuild oil in the cylinders. Oopsie, gonna have to clean that off the gasket. You can use regular oil too. Alright, I think that should be good. getting off the gasket right here. I dropped a little bit. You want the surface to kind of be, well, before the gasket even goes on, you want it to be as smooth as you can. And I think I've gotten this one just about as good as I can get it. It's going to be a daily engine, so I don't, I'm not going all out on this build. But yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, I'm going to grab the head now. There it goes. Alright, now I'm going to get ready to torque these down, and I'll show you the torque pattern. Alright, so I got everything torqued down. I'll write in the description how I did it. I did it based on a 02 WRX spec, because these heads are pretty similar. But that's all finished. Now I'm going to start cleaning up the areas where the cams are going to go. And I got the first set of cams here. And I'll do a little time lapse putting those in. And then I'm probably going to throw on the valve cover and torque that down too. Alright, so I got the engine halfway done. This side's all torqued down, the cams are in, the valve cover's on and everything. I just gotta put the cams in on this side. It's looking real nice in there. These heads were machined before, so they're awfully clean. I just gotta clean up the journals and then drop in the cams. And the head gasket job should be done. So I'm gonna get to that.